Let's see the mini home construction. First, we make the base. Base is completed and it look very strengthful. Now, breaking work start. Arrange the bricks side by side of the wall. Okay, okay, okay. Nice work, nice work, nice work. Oh, I think base is completed. Now the pillaring work is started. Pillar work is also complete now. We open the pillar. Oh, now again wall brick is completed. Completed. Very, very good. Very good. Awesome work. Now flooring is completed inside the house and plastering the wall. Very good. I think.